Hey, what's up, everybody? Joey 600, Family First Records, back with another video today. Today I'm doing a GFX pack, a Parental Advisory GFX pack to be exact. This is equipped with 18 unique Parental Advisory stickers, so you don't gotta use that basic OG joint, the classic, you know what I mean? We done with the classic. It's played out, it's over with, it's done. We don't do that no more. I got the reverse classic, transparent top, transparent middle, transparent bottom, reverse, you know, the transparent parental and explicit content. Got the Japanese one with hollow textures, you know, holographic textures. Some new stickers you probably never seen before, just something totally different. I made a lot of these, I edited myself in Photoshop, make sure they came out perfect, you know what I mean? So when you import them into your project file, all you gotta do is import and resize, and you're already there. This is another custom one, 100% custom, made it from scratch myself. Another custom one, another custom one. This is, you're not gonna see this anywhere else. I made this from scratch. Just something that I do for the community, and I didn't stop there. So I also made some globe icons that you could use for your next project, next tape. And also I got all the CD logos, so compact disc, all the CD logos, so you can go crazy with that too. And just wanted to share the pack with you. It's gonna be on the Family First website, Family First website. Go to familyfirstrecords.co. I'll put it in the shop section. And peace out. Just wanted to show you a new pack, Parental Advisory. I don't think anybody else doing this. I had to step up. I was tired of using that. Like I said, that OG pack. It's played out. It's boring. So I got 18 unique ones, and then I have I think like 10 variations, just so you can get, you know, just something new, something different. Instead of using the plain old OG, it's not the same, you know what I mean? Just change it up. All right.